In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the full step-by-step guide on how to download and install Proton VPN on your MetaQuest 2. Also, if you're looking for a faster and more reliable VPN experience overall, check out NordVPN. Link is in the description to try it at a great price. Now, let's get into it. First, open your browser. Now, head over to a website called UpDowngrade or something close. Just type it in the URL bar and find it. Once there, search for Proton VPN or any other trusted VPN provider. A secure VPN is important when connecting to servers to help protect data and maintain privacy. After downloading the VPN, the next step will be installing the mobile VR app. This will work on any Android-based VR headset like the Oculus Quest or MetaQuest 2. Basically, if you have any Quest model, this method should work fine as long as you download Mobile VR. Go to the store and search for an app called Mobile VR Station. After you download the APK, I'll walk you through the next part. Open the Mobile VR Station app, then go to Select Local Files and choose All Files. If you see a folder called Android, tap on it. Inside that, go to the OB folder and look for something named Step 1 Quest Access. Select it. Then go back to the Download folder. If you see something labeled Proton, click on it. Then hit the Install button at the top of your screen. Tap Next and then Done. Once that's finished, log into your Proton account or sign up for one if you haven't already. That way, your data stays protected. Once you've got everything installed, you can explore other apps too. Now I use Nord every time I'm online. It just gives you that extra level of safety and performance. Now here's the thing. While Proton VPN works, I personally recommend using NordVPN instead. It's just faster, more secure, and more reliable, especially for VR and streaming. Nord has thousands of global servers, better speeds, and doesn't throttle your connection, so your gaming or browsing doesn't lag. Plus, it's super easy to use across all your devices. So if you're serious about getting the best experience, I highly recommend switching to NordVPN. Check the link in the description to get it at a great price.